This is one of our clients from back at the end of last summer. John's got an 8.1 kilowatt system, as you can see. Before his bill was, how much were we paying last year, John?
Oh, a high of around 200, low around of $100.
Okay, perfect. So going back to his bills now, so actually in December, his bill was only $10.58. That was just his connection fee. We've got January was only $10.58. February, $11.58, because Duke put an extra dollar on. In March, we've got his bill through here, which is going to be, well, it's just due in March, it's $5.15. Next year, we know for a fact we're going to see zero power bill. He's going to start racking up his credits now as well, because we're getting into the better months of the year. So, you know, we're getting more hours of daylight. He can use them credits, which he's going to store for out of his higher months in the year, through his like July and August, when he's going to have his AC cranked up a lot more.
Right. You followed up with everything. Any questions I had? Glenn was a great installer.